What is going on here, man? Can't allow us to win this game.
Touchdown.
What?
Touchdown.
Shit.
Dude,
Oh.
shit, chill out!
We done.
Chill out!
Shit.
You can't go, bitch!
Dude, they can still do
Yeah! Son of a bitch, gonna be a killer! Gonna be a killer! The game's over!
Oh my god. You've got to be joking with this, dude.
It's Valentine's Day, and I'm still ain't got nothing to fuck!
What is it with sex times day?
I'm 65, I ain't 65!
Are you depressed? Like, what is going on?
Just knock it off, okay?
I don't want to leave. I want to make sure you're not gonna frickin'. I brought you some chocolates. Look.
Oh, you take them trying to stick them up your ass. I just made up a profile. Nobody's even answered my profile.
Looking for love. Look at the picture.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long.
Here, read that. Read it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't yell so loud this time.
I killed my career!
It's a day out.
Just remember, when the tree starts to go down. Call that the grandpa dance.
Oh, shush!
Good deal.
Oh! Oh, stop! Oh, sheesh, stop! You almost took it the fucking
I love it.
What a chicken was chopping on that damn thing!
Well, I guess it has been crushed, huh? What are we doing?
Trying to save the trampoline.
Bullshit, we got the tree to take down.
What is wrong with you? First you almost crushed the fence, then you almost crushed the fence, then you cut the fence. I mean, why, dude?
Get a legal thread, you can fix it.
Oh, forget it, Dad. Where's this one gonna go?
Try not to.
Up your ass, you keep bothering me.
Please, please. Oh, God, no! No!
Help!